Welcome to the boating adventure, community post number 7. Tomorrow morning's premiere video at 8 o'clock is of Steve and I's visit to Sawley Marina last Saturday for their winter market, where we set up a gazebo and had a promotional day for the channel, so be able to see how we got on. Next week's premiere video will start with a countdown at 28 minutes past 11. So you'll be able to see in the new year with us, and the video will come from the northwest coastal town of Blackpool. So do join us to see in 2023. I would like to take this opportunity to wish all of you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.